Whenever we talk about consumption, we often refer to FMCG stocks like Hindustan Lever, ITC, or Dabur. However, consumption is beyond FMCG. Let me put forward some trivia. Did you know in India, big fat Indian wedding is the second biggest in consumption after food? Or that the growth rate in quick commerce like Blinkit or Zepto is 230% vis-a-vis food delivery, which is one tenth of that. With this theme in mind, Axis Mutual Fund has come up with a new fund offer, or NFO, which is Axis Consumption Fund. In this video, we'll talk about this fund, understand its theme and investment objective. Most of the information for this fund has been taken from the new fund offering document. If you like content like this, please feel free to subscribe to WealthAbhi. The face of consumption is changing in India. It is moving from basic needs to beyond basic needs. The change in consumption is driven by rise in per capita income, changing demographics, rapid urbanization, upgrading lifestyle, digitalization, and easy credit. Thus, consumption is now a broad scheme beyond FMCG. It's covering about 8 sectors and 70 companies. This classification is based on Nifty Consumption Index. If we compare the performance of Nifty Consumption Index over Nifty 500 Index, we see better yearly performance for most of the years with low drawdown. With this in mind, Axis Mutual Fund has come up with Axis Consumption Fund, which is open for subscription from 23rd August to 6th September. During this time, the fund is available with NAV value of 10 rupees. Axis Mutual Fund explained Axis Consumption Fund's investment philosophy in its presentation. This will be an active fund which will cover the entire market capitalization. The fund will invest in quality stocks which will be selected based on Axis Fund's bottoms-up approach. Axis Mutual Fund also explained how they'll structure their portfolio after identifying these companies. Minimum 80% of their portfolio will be invested in consumption companies as indicated through the theme. Up to 20% of the stocks will be invested in other stocks or debt instruments. The fund may also invest in other instruments with a maximum cap of 10%. The benchmark of this fund is Nifty Consumption Index. The fund has 500 rupees as minimum lump sum investment with additional investment in multiples of 1 rupee. The fund is presently open for subscription under its NFO period. The last date of application is 6th September. Both the fund and its benchmark are under very high risk category as per riskometer. Investors should be aware that this fund focuses on a niche theme area which covers not a single sector but multiple sectors. This provides a good opportunity for investors to diversify to this consumption-oriented theme. At the same time, investors should be aware about the significant risk it brings in. The reward will be exhibited in the long term and hence investors should be patient. SIP will be a good approach to this fund. Please note that this is not an investment advice. The objective of this video is to spread awareness about this NFO by explaining the fund details. All these details are from the presentation issued by Axis Mutual Fund. Hope you found this video informative. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads.